Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah.
Welcome guys, Creamball back again with another reaction video. Today we're going to check out leshurr Queen's Speech Part 5. It's been about 1 month since I reacted to a Queen's Speech, so finally gonna get back into it and see what's going on. And so begin now.
Please don't stop for a chinwag. You need a tic tac. You will get broke.
I know the funniest thing, shall we the Santa hat, that means at Christmas time. We're in Christmas season now.
Then taken out like a bin bag because it's going down, low blow. So don't make me snap like a photo. Slow mo on.
Yo.
Put it up like Trayvon. All blacked out like Akon. I'ma come to your door like Avon and make you give me them notes like Trey songs. Man ting sad ting like a Drake song. I told you to change your panties, so why you still wearing the same ones? Bloody no Sean Paul. I'm a bad gal, what you gonna know? Look, I got supporters in Cornwall, and I know some ballers in Cornwall.
Yo, you know Black, you know? She had it like the Daily Duppy. Like when they do the Daily Duppy, then put up the words and stuff. I like that.
Love to do that way. Why do girls love to do that pose? Are they your new trainers? What are those? Yeah, gal. Pick your nose and eat it, gal. I am the realest gal. I am the realest gal. You ain't like Felicia. I'm a hurricane, yeah, and Katrina. English class didn't like the teacher, so I walked out like bad Felicia. Stay small kids, they don't show no appreciation. Keep things short like abbreviation. All these girls are really hating.
Yeah.
Look like crispy bacon.
Ooh.
Crispy bacon.
Them need some what you call it again? Chopstick. Crispy bacon. Oh, she wear the shirt. This I realize it now.
They tried to take shots, pay for, but I'll cross when I want like a jaywalk. Pathetic. You're weak synthetic. If you think that you're gonna get past me, then you can forget it. Like,
Yeah.
do you hear me? I've been dying to let you know that you're the biggest waste man. Look, I'll take you for some garlic bread. I'll take him for a tuna salad. Just when the thought was done, I gave them
Tuna salad?
DJ Cat.
What are they? Why is it? Wait, tuna salad is like a British thing, like, I've never heard somebody really say tuna salad before. You know, probably that British thing, I don't know.
So don't think you're bad, cause your man tweets my Instagram. So you got mad, then hit the fan. I hit him up, then I hit the dab, like
Ooh.
that's it. Don't try talking your black lips. I heat things up like June the 1st. I took the crown, Miss Universe.
Oh, hey, that was a disgrace, bruh.
Appreciation. Keep things short like abbreviation. All these girls are really
Crispy. Cause it's crispy.
look like crispy bacon.
Crispy.
Crispy bacon.
Crispy. Crispy bacon. Crispy. Crispy bacon. You know, my eye on that if those cars are actually in the video. Like, they're not just random cars.
Queen's Speech 5, you know. Side for the way.
Lady, I showed a knife, you know, she's just look a slim cool girl, yeah? Nice. Alright guys, to the end of the reaction video. Look like this actually is a perfect time to react to this because Queen's Speech 5 in Christmas time, and this is Christmas season. So anyway guys, to the end of the reaction video, enough love, peace.